Mac. Happy birthday. Ayan, good luck and God bless the studies.
Hey Maki, happy birthday. Una sa lahat, thank you kasi ikaw yung nagiging kuya naming lahat kahit hindi halata. Kahit minsan parang seryoso ka, na hindi, na ewan. Konting push na lang, gagraduate ka na. Ikaw yung naman libre, sana magka-work ka agad. Tsaka just continue on serving God. And andito lang kami palagi. Kahit minsan nagkakatampuhan, nagkaka-conflict. Strong lang palagi, tsaka kapit kay Lord. Thank you din kasi una pa lang naging friendly ka na sa akin, tsaka sa aming lahat. Tsaka pinakita mo yung totoong ikaw. Weh, joke. Ayun lang, happy birthday and God bless to you and your family. Bawal lang sad, dapat happy.
Hi bro, happy 20. Ay, ang corny. Pero ayun, happy birthday. Thanks for everything. As in everything. Alam mo na yun, basta thank you for being one of the best brothers in town, no? Kasi ayun, lagi kang andyan as kuya and tatay. Sermon dito, sermon doon. Pero alam ko namang ginagawa mo yun dahil sa amin. Ano pa ba? Lately, sorry nga pala sa nagawa kong pakulo. Ito na yun eh, gagawin ko na yung gusto mo. Wait lang. Sorry po. Okay, liar goes to America. Haha, malayo-layo pa yun. Ayun, basta thank you sa lahat. Enjoy your day. Paano ba yan? EK sa 28. Pero hindi ko pa sure eh. Can't wait to our bonding again. Yung sinabi ko sa'yo, yung love life mo, ayun yung inaabangan ko eh. I'm sure ayun din yung inaabangan nila. So ayun, happy cake day. God bless. God bless you and your family. Keep the fire burning. We love you, Kuya Mac.
Hi, Mac. Happy birthday. Ayun, Kalen to ha. In case you don't notice my voice. Although, lalagyan naman ni Micah ng So, yun. Happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat na I really hope pagdating ng araw, you guys still be there and I'll be here no matter what, okay? So, I wish you all the best. God bless and see you soon. Bye!
Happy birthday, Mac. Alam ko 20 years old ka na. Alam ko matanda ka na. Kaya huwag ka nang pamabata. Alam mo, sasagutin ka rin niya. Happy birthday ulit.
Bro, it's your day. Happy birthday. Tanda mo na bro, tagal na natin magkasama. So pag may problema, dito lang kami. Dito lang ako. Lagi maging matatag. Ingat lagi. God bless. Mama Chuk Chuk.
So yun, happy 20th birthday and I hope na mature ka, lalo ka sa faith and syempre dun sa status and work. Goodbye to you.
Hey, una sa lahat, matanda ka na, joke lang, happy birthday pala, pare, wish ko lang na mag-continue mag-serve kay God, and hindi na lang din pala, graduate ka na, at syempre alam ko na ililibre mo kami niyan pagka graduate ka. Never give up din pala, lalo na sa love life mo, and supportado kita syempre, and ingat palagi, enjoy your day, and happy birthday to you.